Okay, we're putting 20% down on our home. Should we still consider a VA loan?
Absolutely. I just did a scenario in this last week. I actually took a scenario. I've got a veteran moving a PCS into Otis Air Force Base, Massachusetts. It's a $490,000 purchase. And I did an analysis, compared VA to conventional. The VA rate was 0.375% lower, even with a 1.25% funding fee.
Sure.
That veteran and his wife were going to save nearly $42,000 in interest over the life of the loan, because the rate was so much lower than what the conventional rate was going to be. And so they looked at my analysis and they were like, gee, wow, that's the way to go, VA.
I'm going to flip this around on you. Why wouldn't you?
Well, yeah.
Right? I mean, the lender has to give you 3 options anyway,
Yep.
right? So why wouldn't you ask for an option for VA? Just to compare apples to apples, if nothing else, it's going to at least give you a good indication of whether or not that option is best for you. But if you don't ask and you don't get that quote, then you may be costing yourself money.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, without a doubt. You're going to get, especially if you give someone who's not familiar with VA in general, they hear you're putting 20% down, they're probably just going to...
They use that as the reason and the excuse to dovetail into a different direction and say, oh, you don't need VA because you got 20% down. And I say I trump that every time by a much lower rate, a better process, more favorable underwriting criteria, better all the way around.
Yep.
Can also do another flip a little bit. Why are you putting 20% down if you don't need to?
Nope.
Because at the end of the day, you need to be able to make the best choice for you.
Yep.
And the reason why we have the benefit is so that there are a lot of expenses that you're going to incur in moving into that home.
Right.
We don't want you increasing your debt load by more than just the mortgage and having to go into credit card debt so that you can buy draperies, or that you can put carpet, the kind of carpet you want, or you can put
Do the hardwood floors.
Do the hardwood floors over, right?
Do a bathroom.
So use your money wisely. Honestly, I think those are questions you need to ask your lender and kind of walk through and work through what the best option is for you. But don't just going in thinking that the more money you put down means the better deal you're going to get. You got to weigh all your options.
And a lot of times your payments really, you're not saving much on payment.
Let's be honest. Every $10,000 in a VA transaction, on average, will save. It goes up or down approximately $43 to $50 a month.
Right.
That's about it.
That's what I mean. So it's better off keeping it in your bank.
I'll take 10 grand in my pocket for an extra $40 in my payment any month, any day, twice a week. No problem.
Awesome, great answer.
Not only that, we always say with VA loans that it's just as important for you to stay in the home as it ever is for you to get in there.
Correct.
So give yourself a cushion.